Landslides are one of the major threats that significantly occur in the hilly terrain. In view of this, landslide susceptibility mapping is crucial for sustainable urban management. CSIR Naini has carried out the research study of the geospatial assessment of urban sprawl and landslide susceptibility around the Nainital Lake, Uttarakhand, India. Mesmerized green vegetation, splendid boating site, healthy atmosphere makes Nainital as a popular tourist destination in India, but this place has experienced several landslides every year. It is reported that in 2018 the historic Lower Mall Road collapsed near about 25-meter section and fell into the Nainital Lake, and a high alert has been issued for Upper Mall Road also for the public interest. Nainital is located at Shivalik Himalaya region main boundary thrust, and Nainital Lake fault passes through the region that makes this area vulnerable. To assess the impact of urbanization on high slope and landslide susceptibility, following methodology has been adopted: collection of satellite data, creation of different thematic layers, ground truthing, accuracy assessment, and landslide susceptibility mapping has been performed sequentially to carry out the study. Satellite images of 3 different times are considered to assess the decade changes in this region. Object-based image analysis is performed to assess the changes in LULC in a critical manner. It is observed that built-up area is increasing haphazardly and drastically in this region, which is a subject of severe headache. The slope analysis has a significant role to measure stability of the land, and it is derived using digital elevation model. To quantify the urban sprawling on a natural slope, the built-up area of 3 different tiers were superimposed on slope map. The overlay analysis helps in assessing the periodical disparity in urban growth. It is observed that the built-up has increased rapidly on strong and steep slope. That is a serious issue of concern in such mountainous environs. Landslide susceptibility mapping has enormous advantages on urban management because this map is helpful to identify the landslide-prone area. The landslide susceptibility is categorized as low, moderate, high, and very high for this region. Majority of percentage is monitored in the category pursued by moderate, high, very high, and low. In view of that, sprawling of the urban area on high slope is seriously risky and it increases the rate of the landslide. The major findings of the study are the gentle and moderate slope is completely occupied by anthropogenic activities, and now urbanization is taking place on high slope. Around 50% of the area is highly susceptible to landslides, and few posets on steep slope is identified as a hotspot. In this context, few recommendations are suggested, which are immediate control and regulation on haphazard urbanization on steep slope area, frequent monitoring and implementation of laws against improper urbanization, avoiding of new construction activities on the high slope area, application of geotextiles, retaining walls, fencing, thick vegetation cover on slope. The research paper of the study is published in the Journal of Environment Development and Sustainability.